difficult to teach online? Do you feel you are not a technical expert when it comes to online teaching? Do you think digital writing pad is not affordable for you? I have done a series of videos on online teaching and I received many more queries like this. Today's video will solve most of these difficulties faced by traditional teachers who prefer to use pen and paper for their online classes. Today's video is in collaboration with SAP's product. This product is designed by 4 mechanical engineering students from Pune. This device can be used with laptop and mobile. So let's get started. Let me introduce the product to you. It comes in a box like this, and this is our product. So it comes in a box which has the user manual, and you can see it's a mirror. So this device can be attached to the laptop or to the mobile. So it comes with a user manual, and this is very user friendly. So for using this product, what you need is a writing pad with papers, white paper, and lot of markers. We need markers because if you write with a pen, it won't be that clear for the students. So make sure you're going to write with the marker. Let's see how can we fix it to the laptop. So I'm going to attach this product to the point where the laptop camera is positioned. So we can just keep it here, very easy. So just keep it there, and using the screw we can adjust the positioning, so that we can do once we keep the writing pad and the sheet of paper on the keyboard. After attaching the device, I have joined the Google Meet. So immediately after joining the meeting, you have to switch off the camera option. Okay, so switch off the camera. Then what you're going to do is share the complete screen. Okay, you have to share entire screen, and after that you are going to switch on the camera of the device. Okay, so camera, I have switched on the camera. So now what you are seeing on the screens, already you have shared the entire screen. So now what you are going to see is my keypad. So after that, I am going to keep the writing pad. So this is where we are going to write our content. So this is the time where we have to position it. So adjust the laptop so that this white sheet of paper is visible to the student. Now take any color marker and start writing, and you are ready for the class. So let me just write something here. I'll be showing you the student screen also. You can see what I'm doing on the teacher's Meet. So there on the student side, you will be seeing whatever the teacher is writing. Okay, so I'm just writing it here. See, I have written something and that is visible for the student very clearly. So make sure you are not using a normal pen. If you write with a normal pen, it will come there, but it will not be visible clearly for the student. So it's better to use markers. So make sure you are using markers of any color, so that is very clear for the student. Now let me show how to use this device with a mobile phone. So you can use a mobile stand like this, and if you wish to purchase it along with this product, they will be providing it, but you will have to pay for that. But whatever mobile stand you have with you, you can use it. So keep it vertically and fix the camera there, and the procedure is same as that of the laptop. So you're going to join the Meet, then switch off the camera of Meet, then switch on the camera. But in mobile, be sure that you are making that into selfie mode. Then adjust the device and start writing. So let me just write something here, so you will be able to see that on the student screen also. I'm writing the equation here. Make sure you are using the marker, and you can very clearly see the student is also able to see what I am writing here. So with a simple smartphone and this smart device, you will be able to conduct your online classes very easily. You can buy this product from sapsproduct.com. I'll be giving you the link in the description box. The price for the product is 500 rupees and for the mobile stand it is 200 rupees, and you can get the product and the mobile stand together with the combo offer with 550 rupees, and you can avail a 5% discount by using the coupon code SUDHA05. Thank you for watching. Bye.